Hey, how's it going? So I figured I'd finally make another video because it's been, oh, I don't know, maybe like 4 or 5 months since I made the last one. But I just wanted to go through some quick updates I got for the car and show you a couple things I picked up. So yeah, I moved to this house a few months ago, so the garage is a bit smaller. It's just a regular two-car garage. I haven't really done too much to the garage. I finally hung up like my Speed Factory sign, little Honda banner, Eat Sleep Race. It's Ariani hanging out over there. So I got tons of stuff that I gotta figure out where to put it. That's kind of been what's bogging me down with making progress on the car. Just kind of been lazy, I guess. Plus the weather hasn't been too good. No. I thought it was a bubble, but I guess it's oh well. So picked up the ShiftP2. It's a shift light that you can fully reprogram and set it how you want to. So this is the newest one. I was actually part of the pre-order, I guess, first batch. And right when I got the email, I ordered it that same day. But this comes from Ecliptech in Australia, actually. But so it's got a whole bunch of LEDs that'll change depending on where you're at on your shifting and RPMs. But then here's the small little LED screen that they put on the new version. The old one I think was just loud. All right, the battery just died on my GoPro, so I gotta restart it. So where was I at? Oh yeah, so the old shift light. I don't remember what they called it. Maybe it's the ShiftP1, I'm guessing. But it just had LEDs. It didn't have the small LED screen or the small digital screen. And I don't think it was too customizable. But this one has up and down. You can go left and right. In the little demo video I seen, it looked pretty cool. There's tons of different settings, and you can adjust the lights however you want to, and shift points and everything else. So yeah, that's probably what I'm going to be working on today. The wiring for it's pretty simple. It's just power, ground, and then the RPM signal wire. Then it does have a couple other wires. I'm not sure what they are. I'm guessing maybe for future things. But I won't be installing those because I just need the shift light to work. But other than that, I did pick up a set of skinnies for the back. I just got the tires right now. I'm still trying to order some wheels to go with those. But I think I'm going to get the Weld one-piece magnums, I think is what they're called. The black ones, they're super light, and they're a little pricey, but I think it'll be worth it in the end. And I'd like to switch to the 13s in the front instead of 15-inch slicks that I've been running. Just to save a little bit of weight, and then get that extra sidewall, which should help me. Yeah, this extension cord is kind of annoying. This garage only has 2 outlets in it. There's one over there, and then the other one is up there. But I'll probably end up getting one installed over here in the front, which makes more sense. But yeah, I guess that's it. I'm going to get started on the shift light and get back at it. Alright, so I'm thinking of mounting it, just putting it right here. And then probably just drilling a hole and then running all the wires to the very inside of the cluster. So should be pretty easy because all my gauges use the power already and then the ground. So all I really need to do is just tap into the cluster to get the signal wire for the RPMs. But it should go pretty simple, and hopefully I'll have this running up pretty soon. Alright, so I got the top part of the little steering wheel cover off. So I think I'm just going to do maybe just a small little cut like in here, just so the wires can come through and it'll sit nice and flush. Yeah, well, maybe I could do, no, yeah, I'll just do a small little cut on it. I was thinking about just drilling it out, but I don't think those wires will like to be squished quite like that so early. Alright, so I still haven't found my Dremel attachment, but I forgot that I have this this heat knife. So I think I'm just going to try and Just put a small little gash in it, just enough to get the wires in. We'll see how it goes. Just gotta wait for it to warm up. Alright, so it's getting close now. You can start to see the plastic and stuff that's been already melted on there starting to get liquidy. So it should be ready pretty soon. Oh yeah, it's getting close now. Alright, so we will give it a shot. Let me look at the ShiftP2 one more time. There it is. Alright, so it'll be a little bit more on the right side. Just want to make sure I put it in the right spot. Doesn't have to be too perfect, but somewhat close would be nice. So we'll just go with that spot right there. Oh yeah, it's going right through it. That should probably be good. So I think that should be, maybe I should make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, I think that'll probably be good. Let's see. No, that should be good because I can just slip the wires straight through it. Just like that. Then I won't have to worry about losing the connector on the end here, so that should be good. So it gets up there. Come on. Alright, I'll just make it a little bit bigger then. Just a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to warm up again. Let's give that one a shot. Might even be able to fit the whole connector in there now. Yep. There it goes. Alright, so it'll just sit on there like that. Put the ShiftP2 in. Just like that. So yeah, that's pretty close to being right in the center. Then I'll be attaching it with probably some Velcro. Yeah, they gave me some Velcro. So it'll sit up a little bit higher, but it should be a good angle right there just to be showing from the where the driver sits. Well, so I ended up skipping a little ahead and just finishing up all the wiring. It's pretty basic stuff. But yep, let's see how it goes when I start it up. voltage and everything else on it.